Happy summer everybody, I hope you're enjoying this lovely heat and welcome to my super hot listing at 38 Lee Center. Welcome to Unit 2112. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom has been recently renovated with upgraded appliances, brand new flooring, freshly painted with an unobstructed view. Located close to the 401 and steps away from Scarborough Town Centre, you are next to anything and everything. For more information, DM me. Bye for now.